out here. This is Lakeworth Car Meet. I got a dead battery, but we're gonna get started. The Mopar's out here. We got that in the background. Let him go. Go ahead. You're good. You're good. It's dark, but I don't care. Dark, but I don't care. It's kind of a take two. I know I already did the intro, but here we are. We're under the bridge, and there's the bridge. And there's the first Mustang of the night, the GTCS. We have a Beamer. Let's get it. This is a 135i, so it's a 1 Series. We got some other cars rolling through. I don't know about lighting this, but it looks all right. We have it's a Honda, and we have this one over here, the Acura. This is rolling through. Find a spot. Here we have under the hood on the 1 Series. I don't know what I'm looking at. You guys are Beamer fans, you tell me. Tell me what you see. Moving on. We have a Mustang. He's got the terrestrial antenna delete. He's got that. Shout out to Careless. Love Careless. Mustang, and then over here for this one, GT. Rollers on the blue Forte in the background. And another shout out to Careless. There we are. The GT, like the windshield license plate. Shout out the years on these if you guys have them. If you know what years these are, or shout out the owner. Tell me who the owner is. You tell me how long they've had this car. Under the hood on that last Mustang. Feels like a 90s. I'm not great with Mustangs, but I think it's a 90s. I don't know if it's mid 90s or late 90s. I know there's only two. Oh, okay. Well, I still need to fix my lighting. But since it's black, it's turning out a little better than it should. I need to adjust my lighting better. Lighting adjusted, I think it's better. We're getting parked up here. We are under the bridge in Fort Worth. With the front license plate, being totally legit, got the front license plate and everything. That's very, very adult. You got it now. You're in there now. Well, it is popping off now. Here we are. Got the Mini Cooper Got the new plug. What up? Dodge. Texas H8. Only Chevys. Well, this is what I'm talking about. Traffic back and forth. People coming in. I'm glad I didn't bother to wash my car because it's filthy down here under the bridge. It's just filthy down here. From the Forte over there. So we have another. This is a Cobra. Got some badging on it. We'll take it out. Check it. This has got badged on the side Eco Beast. Rollers in the background. This meet is not like 300 cars, but it's a good size. There's a nice crowd. It's pretty chill. So we even have bikes. Charger. That's right. This is no show and I'll go. This is a Mustang and he has a bubble window on it. Oh.
We got a little thing going back.
All right. You'll let him get parked up. Is that a Mitsubishi? It's an Isuzu. Guy took an Isuzu and turned it into a street monster. We'll go ahead and grab him. What's up? NTX Meets. I know them. I know NTX Meets. I know them. Get this Mustang over here. Ford Performance is on the windshield of that one. And nothing. Well, I'm pretty proud. I'm in this row over here. Start out with the 2013, the Forte. Coming over to the Camaro. Here we have, I think we got these guys rolling. I think we got them earlier. So here's one of the rows right now. Not even 7:30 and we're all full up over here. Here's the crew. Okay, now we've got some rollers. Now I got people rolling in. That's not Mopar Street Kings, is it? That was the guy leaving? The Challenger. So the meet is over here. I gotta come over here. Graphics 84 is getting set up. So I gotta come over here. It's over here. There's the line over there coming this way. Give you guys an idea. Give you guys an idea. Thank you. Move on to the next row. Come over here. Just gonna grab this row real quick. Here it is. I'm not going under hoods or nothing. Everybody seems to be gathering around Graphics 84. Like Graphics 84 is the anchor over here. Charger. There we go, we got this guy. He's gonna. I am not trying to aggravate people by sticking a camera in their face. I'm really not. It's not my intention. We're going to continue continue on. We got Mopar Street Kings on some of these. Mopar Street Kings. I'll skip the kid. Somebody's got a kid, so I'll skip him. We got these rolling already. We know this vehicle because it tows this right here. There he is. What's up?
What's up, guys?
Hey. You guys, you be sure when you see him, you gotta come out here and buy some of these stickers. This man works hard every day of the week. He's at more meets than I am, and he's got a booth, and he's there for y'all. He's out here for you guys, so come help him out. You come over here. I don't know what those are, 24s, 26s? Texas. And then H8R Hunters. Hunter. Ford Performance on this one. Ford Performance. 5.0. The Cadillac. I think that's a carbon fiber. I don't know. It looks like carbon fiber. Dedicated is on the windshield. The Beamer. Another Beamer. Let's get it. So this is a 750. I believe it's LI. And I believe this said it's an RC 350. You can correct me if I'm wrong. Got the Ford over here. What's up? You may be tough, but you ain't no Ford Ranger. And the 300 Chrysler. I'm gonna come over and get this row. He's got lights in his wheels. We have a Golf. Nice. Let's get up on it. GTI. And we have the SI. That's an Infinity. So this is the other row that's over here. There's another Mustang. He's got a bumper delete on that one. You may be tough. It's another Ranger. This thing just pulled in the Camry. He's just gonna cut. Oh, he's just gonna cut it right there. Okay. There's another row over there. I need to get it. Quiet plate on the front of this 300. He's got his quiet plate. Cummins. So that's a Ram. Chevy full size. There's a Ram 2500. And this is the Ford F-150. The F-150. Here's an older model. Probably in 90s. I don't know if they're a part of the meet, but they're in the parking lot. In the Traverse. And look what just rolled in. Look at that. All right. So from this vantage point, I can pretty much got you. Here's the meet. There's the row I just came off of. They're at the back there. Here's that row. At the end of this row is Graphics 84. We got rollers. We got this thing over here with, I know those wheels. I know those wheels. We have a Camaro and we have this thing that's trying to make its way. Everybody's welcome. Everybody's welcome. Hey, we're all welcome. Doing your thing. It's all good. So here's one row. Here's the other. Here's the row I'm in. I'm trying to get y'all as much coverage as I can. There's a row behind this. I'm standing in traffic. I'm over here standing in traffic. So here it is. Here's the meat. Well, that wasn't here earlier. I'm gonna grab this. This was not here a minute ago. I don't know if this was either. Look at that. That's some bikes. Bikes. All right. Ah! Playing in traffic. I know he will. All right. It's still relatively early, so we got rollers. We got rollers. We got the crowd. We're just gonna go right down the middle. I didn't get this one earlier, so I need to come over and get this. He rolled by, I missed him. So if you recognize it, damn, it's got meat on there. Look at that meat. Well, this is a dude that doesn't care about gravel. Gravel schmaggle. Drive my Mustang anywhere. I didn't even see this dude. It's not a police. He's Lake Patrol. He's probably wanting to check out this. It's not a cop. Eco Beast. No, it's Lake Patrol. We're good. We're good. Here we go. Look at you. Look at you already. I didn't touch this van at all. Eco Beast. Yeah, this Lake Patrol's tripping everyone out. Lake Patrol. You're good, you're good. That's the 7 Series. Oh, it's a Fort Worth Marshall. Okay. All right. Here we go. Race cars just rolled in. There's me again. I was over here earlier. I think I forgot about this. The Cobalt. Show some love to the Cobalt. The Z. Let's show love to the Cobalt over here. It's a Fort Worth Marshall, and he's a Lake Patrol. But I think he's running VINs and just checking people, and I don't know. We'll see. We got people trying to come in. I don't know how much space is over here, but try and get in over here. He's gonna get in his car and leave. Grab the Instagram, there's the Instagram, and now it's on the channel. There it is. See, okay. He gone and done it now. He gone and brought it now. DFW F-body is on the back window. We got the Lexus rolling. Lexus is rolling. This place is getting busy. Cadillac is rolling out. All right. Mustang's trying to make the corner here. So this is originally, I didn't get this when I first came through here. I'd have remembered this one. Did not get it. There it is now. I'll come over here and get what I didn't. Bikes. Come over here and get what I missed. See if I missed anything. It looks familiar. Looks familiar. The Infinity. Let's come over here and see what we missed. See if we missed anything. An Altima. Got a Golf. Sorry, that's a Passat. Screwed it up. Another Mustang. The Chevy, the full size. And Charger. I didn't get this row over here. That truck was familiar. No point in worrying about copy strikes over here. We got one with a, so there's a boat out there. I think we're good. I think I got most of it. So, it's a pretty good meet. I was pretty satisfied with what I saw. It's a chill meet, but it's definitely packed over here.